April 2025, nagpunta kami sa Tagaytay Crosswinds Resort Suites at nag-overnight stay kami doon. Napakaganda ng view at scenery, sobrang relaxing at malamig ang klima. Ang daan papunta ay maayos at madaling sundan. Good afternoon, nandito kami ngayon sa Tagaytay Crosswinds.
Oh, hi! I vlog. Hello, vlog!
Blaine, awake?
Hello, everyone!
What are we gonna do here?
I don't remember. Sleep and go to swim.
Ganda ng daan. Pero matarik. Tulad yun. Ito yung ilan doon sa tower ng hotel. Ayan. Let's go, Shabby.
Yeah, no.
You said you want to make a video, right?
Yeah.
Look at the tree, it's so nice.
Yeah.
Shabby, you can sit there mo.
A few minutes later.
Dito na kami sa aming tower. Tower 3. Right?
Apo.
Right there? I'll just go back for Mommy and Blaine.
Daddy, am I fully charged?
Yeah.
Yeah! Great, Daddy!
Check out the view first.
No! Look at that! Guys, look! I see it! Yo! Look at that! We're going! Oh, there's an elevator! It's not her, guys.
What?
So, which one?
Third floor.
This one's kind of small. Hi! Nice to meet you, I love you.
Let's look for our room.
So,
Which one?
let's
Mom?
enter the bedroom ready now.
J4?
Our room's J3.
For jeans.
Do that. There's two beds. Yeah. That's true.
Okay, I'll check it.
Body baby. Oh, what two?
There's a balcony.
There's a TV.
Ito yung room namin dito sa Crosswinds Hotel, Resort or Suites, hindi ko alam. Table, may malaking ref, may lavabo, stove, 2 beds, TV, aircon,
Hi.
cabinet. Then, ito yung banyo. Ayan. Ayan yung shower.
It's good.
How about you, Blaine? Ito yung view mula dito sa room namin.
Hello. Oh, I saw the house. Yeah, there's another house in there. Hello, hey, wow.
Oh guys, say hi oh.
Hi. Hi. Don't drop it though.
The next day.
Hello, Blaine. Check namin yung swimming pool dito. Right, Shelly?
Opo.
Okay yung room, pero yung experience sa mga tao, negative. Wow! Look! Excuse me, kuya. Kala ko heated to. Ayun na, maliit lang. Pwede na ito mag-swimming dito, no? 8 pa. Ito yung banyo rito. Parang sobrang lumang building kasi nito. Parang hindi siya ganun kalinis. Tapos maliit na part lang pala yung heated. Isa pang concern dito. Dahil walang parking tong building. Yan, dito yung parking sa labas. Yan. At kapag naunahan ka dun sa medyo malapit, wala yung parking mo. Kahapon, malapit na yung parking namin. Kaya lang, kumain kasi kami ng dinner. Nalayo namin. Doon pa, sa dulo. Kaya mahirap. May mga bata kami.
"12 seconds later."
Okay, dito kami sa outdoor pool. So dito lang din yung parking niya, sa labas lang din. Wala talaga silang parking dito. Lugar talaga, sobrang panalo. Maganda. Right, Achi?
Opo.
So mayroong playground dito. Monkey bar?
Huh?
Oh.
Oh, wait, I cannot even go.
Go.
What the dog doing?
You can't move?
I can't.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine. But you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Shower. Excuse me kuya, heated ba to?
Tumalit lang po.
Ah, ito lang. Pero mas malinis naman to kaysa dun sa nandun sa building namin. Oh, yeah. Actually, where do you want to swim? On our building or here?
Here.
Hindi masyadong okay yung pool nila. Pero syempre, di ba, nasa Tagaytay. Pwede ka mag-swimming. Ito kasi mga gusto talaga mag-swimming ng mga bata eh. So far, yung mga amenities nila, yung mga staff, yung mga services nila dito, parang, punta mo talaga dito yung lugar. Ang lamig, yung view, ambience, iba talaga.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
So, lakad ulit. Medyo, kasi nga, walang parking. Dito kami nakapark.
Hi!
Tarik na ito. Grabe. May ilang bagay na nakabawas sa ganda ng stay namin. Hindi kami makakonect sa wifi, halos walang signal sa area, kaya kahit data, hindi rin gumagana. Ang telepono sa room, hindi rin gumagana, at hirap kontakin ang front desk. Minsan pa, nawalan ng kuryente at walang staff sa mismong building para tumulong agad. Pero kahit ganon, in-enjoy pa rin namin ang experience, yung view, yung malamig na hangin, at syempre yung pagkakataong makasama ang isa't isa. Sa huli, yung bonding at moments ang mas mahalaga.